You need to register online to do business with the government, but maybe you don't want your personal information, like your home address, posted online for everyone to see. Today we'll cover what information becomes public when you register, what you can do to stop people from seeing your information, and also why you might not want to do that. You know you can't submit a proposal to the government until you've registered in SAM, and SAM demands an actual physical address, not just a P.O. box. But what if you work from home and you don't want your home address and other personal information posted online? Well, when you go through the registration process, you'll see this question. If you check the box to be included in public search, this information will be displayed publicly on the SAM.gov website. People will be able to see online your legal business name, physical address, and other info. If you don't want people to be able to see this information on the SAM.gov website, then uncheck this box. But before you do that, let's understand the consequences for your business and what it means to be included in public search and what information can and cannot be restricted from the public. If you uncheck the box and complete your registration, you'll have an active registration, and so you'll be able to bid on government contracts, and federal government users will be able to see your info. But others won't be able to see your business. What that means for you is that your information won't be visible to other businesses or state and local governments who may wish to do business with you. So unchecking the box could reduce your business opportunities. In particular, I know a lot of you are subcontractors, so be aware that unchecking the box means that you won't be visible to prime contractors. If you want others to be able to see your business, keep the checkbox selected. Also, I've learned that there's no way to restrict your data completely. Even if you don't check the box to be included in public search, some of your registration information will be available under the Freedom of Information Act and will be included in data extracts and API data. Registration is a necessary piece of the puzzle, but there's a lot more to winning government contracts than getting registered. To learn all the details on how to win government contracts, watch my complete course, because I've spent decades learning this stuff, so you don't have to. My course is free, and in it, I've distilled down for you the specific actions to grow your business with government contracts. And the free course starts with this video on what to do first. So click the link to watch the video and learn how to win those government contracts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.